Ever wondered about the health benefits of hazelnut oil? Welcome to a flavorful journey where we'll unveil the wonders of hazelnut oil. This isn't just a culinary delight, it's a veritable powerhouse of nutrients. From its rich, nutty taste to its myriad health benefits, hazelnut oil is a golden treasure that can elevate your dishes while supporting your well-being. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a health enthusiast, there's something to learn and appreciate. Stay tuned as we delve into the nutrient-rich goodness of hazelnut oil. Hazelnut oil, a culinary delight and a powerhouse of nutrients. This golden oil is not just about enhancing your dishes, it's also about enriching your health in numerous ways. First off, let's talk about heart health. Hazelnut oil is brimming with monounsaturated fats, the kind of fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. These fats are the heart's best friend, making hazelnut oil a heart-healthy choice. But it doesn't stop there. Hazelnut oil is also a strong contender in the antioxidant department, thanks to its high vitamin E content. These antioxidants shield your cells from damage, fostering your overall health. Beyond internal health, hazelnut oil is a fantastic addition to skincare routines. Its moisturizing properties promote radiant skin and nourish your hair, giving you that natural glow from within. For brain health, look no further. Hazelnut oil's omega-3 fatty acids are known to support brain health, potentially enhancing cognitive function and warding off age-related cognitive decline. In terms of digestion, hazelnut oil is a soothing ally. It aids in digestion, calming the digestive tract and reducing inflammation. And let's not forget about bone health. The vitamin K in hazelnut oil contributes to bone health and may even help prevent osteoporosis. When it comes to weight management, hazelnut oil's healthy fats and fiber content can help by promoting satiety and reducing appetite. Lastly, the antioxidants in hazelnut oil function as an immune boost, strengthening your body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Clearly, hazelnut oil is a versatile addition to any health-conscious kitchen. But health benefits aren't the only reason to love hazelnut oil. This golden elixir is also a culinary delight, transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary ones. Its rich, nutty flavor makes it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Imagine a vibrant salad dressing, a decadent dessert, or a flavorful stir-fry, all elevated by the distinctive taste of hazelnut oil. Whether it's for baking, sautéing, or creating tantalizing marinades, this oil truly shines. Hazelnut oil, an ingredient that adds depth and complexity to your dishes. So, what have we learned about hazelnut oil today? We've discovered its rich, nutty flavor that can add depth and complexity to our dishes. We've explored its numerous health benefits, from supporting heart health, offering antioxidant boost, aiding digestion, to promoting skin and hair care. It's clear that hazelnut oil is not just a culinary delight, but a powerhouse of nutrients. With hazelnut oil, you can elevate your dishes while supporting your well-being. So why not give it a try?